really what happened politically on Bloody Sunday was that the civil rights movement died. We met a group of young people and they were so angry. Talked to them that night and knew rightly that they weren't going to listen. They were going to flock to the IRA. And that's what happened.
I don't really have any regrets as such. I mean, when you compare my actions to the actions of and the lack of consequences for the soldiers who carried out the atrocity of Bloody Sunday, I mean, what I did was relatively minor.
We're the people who took up the mantle, and we're the people who exposed the British Army and the British government for what they really did on Bloody Sunday, not their version. And it's very important that we will keep this going. When I'm too old, the next generation of grandchildren will keep this, and whoever will keep the story alive.